how to run a program and see outputs of the programs. You should first write the program. Today you have learned or have discussion that how to run a program and see outputs of the programs, right? Then you first write the program. The program can be written in any text editors. There are also several integrated development environments like Borland C++, Turbo C++, NetBeans, and Dev C++. In a C++ program, you're saved with extension C, CC, or CPP, or CXX, depending on the platforms. Then, once you have saved the program, then the next stage will compiling using a compiler, right? Compiling using a compiler. Then the compiler is a software, right? Is a software which converts a program, in a C++ program, to a binary or executable file that the computer can understand. Because a computer can understand only a machine language, cannot be understand directly high-level programming language, then convert into a machine language using a compiler, right? Using a compiler. Finally, to get an output from the program or from the object codes that needs to execute it or run. Then today you will learn that how to run a programs using Dev C++. Using Dev C++. Then first download a Dev C++ from a Chrome. From a Chrome, download a Dev C++. Then to launch and start all program, and then Dev C++. Then first write the program. This is a file. Then the next new and source files. Then write the program. Write the programs in this phase. This writes the programs. This writes the program. The first line, this is my first C++ program, and it prints the first line, and the second lines are a comment lines, right? This first line and second lines are a comment lines. Comment line. The comment line comments are there are two types of comments, right? A single line comment and a multiple line comment. These comments are a single line comment, right? A single line comments. Single line comments. These lines that begin with this. Single line comments that begin with this. Then the comments also can begin in the middle of a line, right? The middle of a line and continue until the end of the line, that line, right? And the second is a multiple line comments that begin the multiple line comment. This is multiple line comment. That is first this multiple line comment. This is a multiple line comment, right? Multiple line comment that begin in the multiple line comment. This and in this way, in a multiple line comment that in this way is this index with see index with this. This is multiple line comment, right? This is a multiple line comment. First multiple line comment, first this, and the last index with this, right? This is a multiple line comment. All the text between this delimiter or that is a comment, so it is ignored by the compiler, right? These comments are that ignored by the compiler, right? Ignored by the compiler. These comments can be applied for a line, right? More than a line or a part, more than a line or a part. These multiple line comments, that is a comment that is more than a line or a part, right? But in a single line comments are also can begin with the middle of the and continue to the end of that line, right? On this single line comment, that is first line, that is a comment, right? These comments are first line and this is second line. Then this is right first C++ program. This is a comment lines. Then this line 3 has to include IOStream. Lines that begin with hashtag. are processed by the preprocessor before the programs are compiled, right? Before the programs are compiled. This line that notify the preprocessor, right? The preprocessor to include in the program the content of input, output, or stream or header files. These are your streams, the header files that include in the program. These files must be included for any program that output data to the screen or input data from the keyboard within a C++ style stream, input output streams, right? Then the for line or int main, this is int main. The parenthesis after the main indicators, that's the main is a program building block. It's a program building block that is a function, right? This is a function. Any programming function that begin with main functions. These are main functions. And this is the left brass. Left brass. That must begin with the body of every function, right? The left brass that must begin with the body of every function, right? The body of every function. And the last right brass. This process must end each function body, right? Must end each function body. The line 7 cout less than welcome to C++, this program, when the above expects this, the above statement as execute, it sends the stream of characters. Welcome to C++. The standard output of a stream object is a counters, which is normally connected to the screen, right? To connected to the screen. This is a welcome to C++, right? This operator or less than operator is referred to as the stream insertion operator, right? This operator is stream insertion operator. When the program are executed, the value to the right of the operator, or this is the right of the operator, or the right operator is inserted in the output stream, right? This right operator inserted in the output streams, right? Notice that the operator point in the direction of where the data is goes. Then the last return 0 is only come to C++ and return 0. Then the last is save the C++ programs. Save the C++ programs. C++ programs are saved with extensions and C or CC or CPP, CXX. Then depending on the platform you are working upon, is saved. Then go to files. Is a file. This is save, right? Save or the file. This is save as. Then write. This is. Then this is save. This is a program that is saved. Then the next compile, right? Compile. Is compile. Then and this is compile and runs. The next is compile and run. This is error 0, warning 0. Then is to run. Is a program run. Next step is to run. This is welcome to C++, right? Welcome to C++. This is all about C++ programs. This is